My name is Mary-Anne Popescu. I'm the Executive Director of the Ontario Association for Family Mediation, and I'm also an instructor at the York Family Mediation Certificate Program. I've about 20 years experience now as a family mediator, which is always surprising to me, and I've been the Executive Director of AccEM for about 10 years and an instructor for about 5, I think, now. The York program is definitely a unique opportunity for students to be really hands-on through case studies, through role plays, and really want to interact with one another and have this positive learning environment. Overall, students are drawn to this program because they are interested in helping families to thrive. And I think that the people that are wanting to do this program and wanting to learn about family mediation are able to use the skills of conflict resolution, identifying ethical issues, looking at differences in community and cultural styles, and really comprehensively learning what it means to be a family and understand all of the complex issues that we face. And the skill set that you achieve and you learn through the Family Mediation Certificate really is comprehensive of the intersectionalities of where we all work. It is a unique set of skills that you will learn through the conflict resolution lens.